Staking coins is a great way to earn passive income from your cryptocurrencies. The returns can range from 5% to over 100%. In this video, I'm going to show you the top staking coins with the most potential. Hey guys, Jason Fong here, and now let's talk about today's video. But first, we must understand what is staking. And let me explain it to you in a way that everyone can understand. Staking is like a savings account. You can put money inside and you can earn interest from that money. Since every blockchain is different, there might be different ways to stake different coins. For example, staking Cardano doesn't lock your coin, but staking Cake does. Staking also has a lot of benefits like supporting the blockchain, but we won't be going into that in this video. If you're interested in learning about that, make sure to watch my previous video on Cardano, as I will show you a clearer picture on what staking is. Since you are watching this video, I assume that you are more keen on the rewards. But other than the rewards, it's also important to look at the potential of the project. If you choose a good project and the price of that coin increases, your staking rewards will also massively increase. However, if you choose a bad project and the price drops, you might lose more money than what your staking rewards can cover. Now let me give you the top staking coins with the most potential. Number 1, Cardano, otherwise also known as ADA. This is a coin that I have been supporting for quite a while, and since that video, the price of Cardano has actually gone up. And now let's go through why Cardano is one of my top staking choices. Cardano is currently in rank number 5 based on its market cap among cryptocurrencies. At the time of making this video, Cardano is also the most staked coin. The Cardano project is one of the biggest competitors of Ethereum, and that is why it has the nickname Ethereum Killer. Cardano's most notable project would be Project Africa, which is currently ongoing. They have recently partnered with the Ethiopian government to roll out the blockchain for a better education system. The thing I like about Cardano is that this project is not about pushing prices to the moon, but using blockchain in a way that can change the world. Now you know a little about Cardano, let's talk about staking it. I personally use the Yoroi wallet to stake my Cardano, the wallet that is recommended by the team. The returns for staking Cardano is approximately 4 to 5% a year. This might be slightly low, but let me tell you some benefits of it. And reason number 1 is staking your Cardano doesn't lock your coins. You can just leave it in your wallet while you stake your coins, and you are free to use it anytime. Reason number 2 is there is no minimum in staking your Cardano. You can even stake 1 ADA. Reason number 3 is that it is really simple to use. I have used the Yoroi wallet. So far, I think that it is really user friendly for even first time users. Reason number 4 is that the market cap of Cardano is still lower than Ethereum, and that is about 5 to 6 times in difference. This means that Cardano still has room for its price to go up. And if you want to learn more about Cardano, feel free to check out my previous video. Now let's talk about the second top staking coin, Polkadot, also known as DOT. DOT is currently ranking number 8 in coin market cap right now. It is one of the most popular coins out there. Similar to Cardano, it is also founded by a co-founder of Ethereum, and the entire blockchain architecture of DOT is surprisingly quite similar to Ethereum. What's so special about DOT? First, we have to understand that some blockchains like Bitcoin, it operates alone. However, DOT is different. DOT is a multi-chain. So what does this mean? Being a multi-chain means allowing other developers to build on the Polkadot blockchain. This will create a situation where all the blockchains on the same network can interconnect. Think of this like the Marvel universe, but instead of superheroes, we have blockchains. And there are quite a few projects that is currently running on the Polkadot blockchain. For example, Akala, Kusama, Chainlink, and these are only a few of the many projects on the Polkadot network. And I believe that there will be more development coming in the next few years. Now let's talk about the staking process of DOT. There are 2 main ways to stake DOT, and the first way is to stake with a broker like Binance. Staking DOT on Binance will give you an average return of 12.79% every single year. That is considering that your coins are locked for 30 days. You could get higher returns if you lock for longer periods of time. That also depends on whether there is any slot left for you. Another way you can stake DOT will be using a hardware wallet. However, this is a method that I haven't used before. I feel that DOT has potential considering the number of projects that are on it, and the return of staking Polkadot is 12.79%, and that is more than double of what Cardano is giving us. Now let's talk about number 3 on our list, Algorand. Algorand or ALGO is a popular choice. It is ranking number 42 on CoinMarketCap. ALGO is designed to be payment focused. It wants to allow anyone to send money fast and cheap. Now let's go deeper into this. Take Bitcoin for example. It is slow and expensive. Bitcoin processes about 5 transactions per second, while ALGO can process up to 1,000 transactions per second. The cost to send Bitcoin depends on how congested the Bitcoin blockchain is at the moment, how many people are using it. The fees are averaging around $10 to up to $50 during peak time. This doesn't matter how much you are sending. You could be sending $1 worth of Bitcoin and paying $10 worth of fees. However, to send Algorand, it's a different story. It can cost as low as $0.001 just to send Algorand, and this doesn't matter how much you are sending. Let's talk about the staking returns of ALGO. How much are they giving us? It is approximately 5.5% a year. Although this is low, but listen to this. As long as you have one ALGO in your wallet, they will distribute the staking rewards to you. Also, like Cardano, there is no lockup time. You can be free to use your coins anytime that you want. And now let's look at the market cap of Algorand. Algorand has a market cap of about 3.3 billion. Let's compare it to Ripple. And the reason why we are comparing to Ripple is because it is also a payment focused blockchain. Ripple has a market cap of 51 billion. That is a multiple of 15 times. There is a lot of market share that Algo can catch up on. Now let's look at CoinMarketCap ranking number 43, Pancakeswap, or otherwise known as CAKE. Before the dog meme craze, there was the food craze. There was Sushi Swap, Bakery Swap, and now we have Pancakeswap. Pancakeswap is a crypto exchange that is built on Binance Smart Chain, which is meant to make it faster than projects built on Ethereum. And Pancakeswap is fairly successful at what they do. They have surpassed the entire Ethereum network in terms of transaction volume. And this is massive because Pancakeswap is only one of the many projects on Binance Smart Chain, while the Ethereum blockchain consists of Ethereum itself and all the projects on the Ethereum blockchain. But other than being fast and cheap, what exactly is attracting all these people to Pancakeswap? Number 1, farming and staking. They will give you rewards for farming and staking your coins. Rewards can go above 100% per year. And the next cool thing about Pancakeswap is their IFO, Initial Farm Offering. You can get in these coin launches really early on when the price is still cheap. Let's talk about something a little more exciting. Let's talk about the returns of staking CAKE. It is absolutely insane. The returns of CAKE is around 140% a year. Compared to the past few choices, this is extremely high. For this, however, you need to lock up your coins sadly. The returns is worth it because 150% compared to 5% of Cardano, yeah, it's definitely worth it. Although the rate is really high right now, it will not last forever. As more people join in the project, more people own CAKE, that rate will eventually drop. I personally feel that CAKE is definitely worth a try if you are into staking because the rewards are really high. However, only invest what you are willing to lose because cryptocurrency is a risky game. And trust me when I say this because I have recently lost over 50% of my investment in one of the coin projects that I invested in. In this video, we have talked about my top 4 staking coins. If you were to ask me which is my favorite project, I would definitely say Cardano because it is a project that I have been supporting for a while. And it is definitely a more stable project. If I were to get a little risky with my money, I would definitely say CAKE because it has definitely phenomenal returns. That's all for today. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll see you in my next video.